Naniniwala ka ba na pag lumalaki yung sweldo, lumalaki din yung expenses mo? Panoorin nyo to hanggang dulo. Our health, opportunities, and time is like this triangle. Yung baseline, considered natin today. Medyo mahaba pa, di ba? Today, healthy ka pa. Madami pang opportunity at madami ka pang time to build a better future. 5, 10, 15, or 20 years from now, this line unti-unting mababawasan. We do not know kung after ilang years malusog pa tayo, kung may mga opportunity pa bang dadating, at kung may oras pa tayo to save for our future. This inverted triangle naman represents our expertise and expenses. Ngayon, maliit pa. Ilang years lang din from now, dadami na yung experiences natin. Pwede na tayo makipag-negotiate sa sahod natin. Pwede na natin palakihin. Kaso, kasabay niyan, mga expenses din natin. Ilang years lang din, may mga pag-aaralan na tayo. May mga maintenance na kailangan pagkagastusan at may mga asset at liabilities na din na kailangan bayaran. Habang tumatanda tayo, lumalawak yung karanasan natin. Tumataas yung sweldo, pero kasabay nito yung mga gastusin. That's why we need to start to build a strong financial foundation today. Because after 5 years, 10 or 15, we're not the same person anymore. Madadagdagan na lalo yung expenses mo at we're not having the same strength, time, and opportunities that we have right now. Kung ngayon, kaya pa natin mag-travel, kaya pa natin kumain anywhere saan man natin gusto, what if madagdagan yung expenses mo? Kaya mo pa kaya mag-save for emergency funds in retirement mo? That's why I'm here. So if you decide to assess and start planning to build your financial foundation, you can click the blue basket or message mo lang ako. This is Ros Leon, your lifetime financial coach.